How to add shadow in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on the Canva website. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to create a new design. And then once you're now here, just choose the size of your design right here. So let's say, for example, that you're going to create a presentation. So I'm just going to click this one right here. And then, of course, you will be redirected into this page. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the upload. So if you want to use your own image, you can upload it right here. But of course, I don't have any image. So let's try something from the elements. So let's go right here. And then let's say, for example, that we want to use this image right here. Now, to add a shadow right there, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the edit. So just click the edit right there. And then in this part, so just scroll down until you see this effects. So you will see this shadows. So just click these shadows right there. And then you will see a bunch of shadows effect. So you have glow, drop, outline, curved, and so on. So let's say, for example, that we want to add a glow, which is right here. So just click that one right there. And then once you click that, as you can see, we now have added a shadow in our picture right here. So if you want to change it, you can change it right here by adjusting the size, the blur amount. You can also change the color and then, of course, the intensity. So let's say, for example, that you're now content with this. Then the next thing that we need to do is to just download it into our PC. And then, of course, that's basically it. So once again, that is how to add shadows in Canva.